I've literally just recorded a video on showing you how to change the colour of an announcement bar, the text in the background. But one thing that you can't do, which is just boggling to me, is change the cross icon or the close icon, whatever you want to call it. You can't change that colour. It's so weird. So there's a small bit of CSS that we need to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I think it's not a crazy oversight, but basically we've got, a red colour for the text here, and then the red is reflected in the cross. So in a way you can change the colour of the cross, but it's also reflected in the colour of the text. So what if we want two different colours? Now, if I go into Pages and then I go into Website Tools and Custom CSS, I have to change it in here because there's no option in Site Styles. I'll quickly show you that. There's no option in here if I go into Colours, darkest one, and then go down to Announcement, which is here. So, I can change the background. Let's make it black. And then I can change the text. Let's make it yellow. But you can see the yellow is here as well. So I'll just save that and then I'll go back into custom CSS. What we need to do is, I'm going to paste the code now, is sqs-announcement-bar-close. And you can see color, I've done black, so it's disappeared. But if I put white like this, you can see it's white whilst the text remains yellow. You can also put a hex code in, so if I wanted to do something like light grey, then we could do that too. You can put an RGB code, HSL code, whatever you want, you can put it in here. If it's a colour, pop it in and that will change there. So once you're happy, just hit save and you've got a separate colour. I should know the word for this. I'm just going to call it a cross. I'm sure the title will be correct, but the close icon, whatever we're going to call it, you can have a separate colour of that to the colour of the announcement itself. Hopefully you found that simple enough and useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.